it's Alex, and this is my friend,
Shayna.
And today is a very exciting video and day because we will be making a bubblegum slime tutorial for you guys in case you want to make one. And we are using measurements, so you don't get confused. What you will need is mixing tool, bowl. Okay.
Oh, and we have a basket over here with everything that we need.
Yeah, that's what we have.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, so
and we have our measuring cups.
Tools. Okay, so we have a fourth cup measuring tool, half a cup measuring tool, and those two will be very helpful, and we'll tell you what you're going to put them in. For this, you will need glue. You will need lotion. It'll be around like 1 teaspoon.
Need some cornstarch.
Yes. And you'll need a container to put your slime in afterwards. We just got these off of Uline, and they're really, really good. And then some Model Magic, just a little bit, like a teaspoon, or maybe a tablespoon of this.
Yeah.
And then some shaving cream.
We have two
shaving cream. Because this one's, the one from a drugstore is $3 to $5, but it's a lot, and it's very, very thick. And it's really helpful. So the fluffiness will stay as if you use this one from the dollar store. We got this one at Dollar Tree.
Yes.
And it is more, but the fluff does not stay as long. So we'll do a little bit of that and a little bit of this in each. Then we have baby oil. We'll need about a teaspoon of this. Foaming hand wash, like
hand soap,
fourth of a cup.
Yeah.
And then, of course, borax. And optional, very optional, conditioner. It's thickening, so it'll make your slime super, super thick. So, let's get started.
Let's put it all together.
Yes. Half a cup of glue. Okay, and then you're going to pour that in your bowl. And with your mixing tool, you want to get all of that glue out. Now you're going to take some cornstarch. And you're going to go in with your fourth cup measurement. And you're going to measure fourth cup. You're going to a fourth of a cup. And you want to get all that out again. So we're just going to mix that all in. Right now it's a little bit of a clumpy batter, but that's what you kind of want at this point. And the smell can be strong, but that's okay.
It'll mostly go away because it's getting mixed in with like other stuff.
Yeah, and you can always scent yours. So now I'm going to go in with some baby oil.
Baby proof, but it's for baby.
Alright, so mix about a teaspoon of that in, and it'll make it nice and shiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright, so you're just going to mix up your lotion and your conditioner. So you want to add just a little bit at a time. And you just want to slowly mix that in. And you can go in right away with your hands, but you don't have. But if this is one of your first times, welcome. Welcome to the slime world. And tell us down below if this recipe worked for you. Now at this point you want to go in with your hands. You can always go in with some more lotion or some conditioner. Tell us down below if you want to see an air dry clay recipe, because we can definitely do that. Because you know guys, tutorials are not always, it's not always perfect.
It's still so overboard.
Ooh, this slime is so nice. We will show you when we're done with these, okay? So we'll show you that right now. Let's get on into that. So I made this slime. This is my slime, Alex's slime. It's a really nice, stretchy, thick bubblegum slime. And it's super spreadable and really, really soft. And we're going to color these in a minute after they're both white right now. We didn't add any Model Magic because we didn't really want to harden our slime. But if you don't have cornstarch and you just have Model Magic, you can totally just add that. So this is a really nice slime, and this recipe is really, really good. The next one is now going to be Shayna's slime. So here's the next clip.
This is my slime, Shayna's slime. And it's a super nice slime. And it's super, super nice texture. It's an amazing bubble gum slime.
Okay, so I just got the coloring. We do use gel coloring because it colors it easier. And there's a bunch. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a tiny bit of green, a little bit of leaf green, a really nice light color, and a barely or maybe a drop or two of yellow. Okay, so I'm going to color mine yellow. Okay.
So
it should be up by the time that you see this video, but we'll show you that one in a couple seconds. It's a very nice lemon yellow color, and it's not too strong. It's pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to swirl these two slimes together. Shayna's gonna do her part, and then I'll do mine afterwards.
it's really, really nice.
Alright, now it is my turn to do this slime mixing. Slime. Gently swirl. Looks like a ice cream, like
Yeah, it's
really
really nice.
nice. Okay, here is my finished product.
Mine's a bit darker.
Alright, you can mix it in.
Mine's a bit darker of a green.
Mix it. We're about to mix ours together. So this is what mine came out to.
And this is what mine came out to. So
Okay.
let's just add them together.
Hey guys, it's Alex, and I just wanted to show you what an amazing slime this is. We added some styrofoam to this slime, like the styrofoam just that you get in the mail, like that thick. So we added some of that, and this is actually a slime that we have on Etsy, Mint Gum Chews, and if you order this slime, you will get a piece of mint gum, and it is scented like mint. It smells so nice, it's so fresh. And it has these amazing foam pieces in it. So it's the crunchiest slime that I have. This slime is 24 ounces. I just wanted to let you guys listen to the crunch. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, watch our previous video. Thank you. Bye.